Hi, today I'm demonstrating the kneeling hip flexor stretch. The stretch is going to help undo tightness in your hips due to working a desk job. A lot of runners have tightness here and it hinders your form because you want mobility in your hips so you can fully extend in your stride, and it just causes general discomfort and tightness. So this is the kneeling hip flexor stretch. We're going to go through two variations of it. For the main variation, you come down in a kneeling position, and then you want to bring one leg up into a sort of lunge position, angled with your thigh parallel to the floor. On this leg, you want to apply some pressure to your shin and your foot as if you could lift your knee up. And that initial thing is going to engage your glutes and help stretch your hip. From there, you want to make sure that you are tilting your pelvis upward. So no sticking out your butt or slouching in your hips. Think of an axle going through your hips parallel to the floor, and then think of turning up and back around that. So you want to really bring that hip up. You'll know you're doing it right when you feel a stretch in this hip flexor of the leg that's kneeling on the ground. You have to play around with it, and once you find it, you want to hold for at least a minute. A variation of that uses a couch to facilitate the stretch. This is really good if you are very tight or if you have trouble really mobilizing your hips. So for this one, you want to take the leg that you want to stretch the hip up, prop it back against a sofa or any of that. And that's not always very graceful. Bring the other leg up to the lunge. Again, adjust your pelvis up and back until you feel a stretch. And again, you want to hold this for about a minute or more. And these should be done several times a week at least. They can take a few weeks to fully loosen up the hips and create mobility, so be patient and be diligent. Thank you.